means, that's what normally a court seal looks like. So if we take a closer look, some forensic examination, this says in the High Court, Central Office of the High Court. So it doesn't say which High Court. Central London, London, many High Courts in the country. And the reference number here on a High Court document, I don't know about that. That's a reference to the Sheriff's Office. I don't see how that would get onto a court document, because that's their reference, not the court's reference. Then it has county court claim number blank. To get a writ from the High Court, I'm trying to video the desktop here. I'm experimenting. That's why I'm talking like this, like a school teacher. Yeah. So the county court claim number blank. Now to get a writ from the High Court, you have to transfer a county court judgment. So there is no judgment here to be transferred up to the High Court, according to this document. Sent from the county court sitting at the Royal Courts of Justice by certificate, dated blank. So nothing, basically, dated blank. So that's nothing. Claimant creditor, Manoj Gondhia, Anthony Bailiff, defendant debtor. So here we've got witness, the Right Honourable Chris Stephen Grayling, Lord High Chancellor of Great Britain. Witness what? Don't see any signature here for where we witnessed this. Oh, got his name there, nothing. And then enforcement address is Flat 1 Wren Close. That is not Wren Court. My property is Wren Court. This looks like a little mistake, but it's not. It's fraud. Because what they do, they make little errors, and if you try to hold them, they say that's nothing to do with your flat. That's a different address altogether. Who are you? Get lost. That's how it works. And then the Sheriff's Office are not sheriffs. They're just gangsters, what they call enforcement agents. So they use the word sheriff, but it's not. They're not sheriffs. So that's misdescription. What else have we got here? They've got Wren Close here again, second time round. Date of judgment or order 7/6/2011. So we don't know what order that is, what the order number is, the case number. You are now commanded to enter the land, not the house, the land. This is the problem, the land. The occupier is a different thing from the land. Mr. Gondhia to have possession of the land. If you want possession of land, you go to the land registry. Don't come to my house. Take control of the goods. So if it's land, how can you take control of goods? Which one is it? This looks like a cut and paste document that they've pieced together from different documents, and it's not coherent. It's a forgery. So the Central Office of the High Court, I don't know where that is. This writ is issued. Okay. And then it says here Amount of judgment order included interest awarded by judgment order 80,000. So I'm not aware of any judgment order for 80,000. Fixed cost 11,000. Where is the cost order and where is the breakdown of the cost? I've never seen any such thing. Assessed cost, so no assessment of the cost. So who determines that cost? Creditor payment received or judgment order 0. So I've paid over 40 grand and it says 0 here. So it's product theft, all sorts. Subtotal 91,000. Cost of execution, blah blah blah. A judgment interest from the date of the judgment. So we've seen no judgment number here. So what judgment are they referring to? Section 74 of the County Court Act 1984. Okay, let's talk about the County Court Act. Section 135 says you could get a life sentence for making a false document up and using a court seal for the lender, which this is. So I did go to the High Court and they said they don't have this document on the file. The lady said we could make one up for you now. So there we go. Fraud up on the court. And how do we end this saga now? Oh, there's a stop.